Here we're going to look at the difference between the constrained tuning fork, where we're holding it with our finger, and relatively unconstrained, where it's supported by a string. So holding with our finger, the fingers are going to dampen out a lot of the higher frequencies, and are going to dampen them out pretty quickly. But when suspended by a string, we're going to get higher frequencies and they're going to sustain longer. This is the waveform for the finger-held tuning fork, acquired by the microphone through the computer's sound card. You can hear the high-pitched ring at the beginning, but it dies out very quickly, leaving the pure fundamental tone. Here we have a spectrum display. This is from a fast Fourier transform at different points along the audio waveform. It's a plot of power or amplitude for different frequencies in the signal. And what we're going to do is we're going to move along the time axis and see how the components change over time. Initially, we have lots of high frequency components in the signal. As we move forward in time, we'll notice that some of the frequencies disappear and the higher frequencies decay quite fast. You'll notice these high frequencies are disappearing, and after a certain amount of time they're totally gone. All that remains are these balanced modes of vibration of the fork, because again, this is the finger-held fork, and our fingers dampen out the higher frequencies quite fast. This is the audio waveform for the string-supported tuning fork. Because our fingers are not dampening out the high frequencies, they ring a lot longer. There are also more frequencies present because the unbalanced modes of vibration are free to ring and aren't damped out. This is the spectrum for the string-supported tuning fork. You'll note there's several more frequencies, and we'll also see that the higher frequencies will sustain longer over time. So as we advance further in time, again you can see we have several more frequencies that were not present with the finger-held fork, and you'll see that they also sustain longer in time. As we move forward, they take longer to die out. And you can hear that as a higher pitched ring.